Ready? And D D D D D D A A A A A A B B B B B B A A A A A A G G G G G G F sharp F F F F E E E E E E D D D D D D. Good. So I made a little bit of I felt like a little fingering chart over here. So what that little carrot shape means is that means the fingers are touching. Okay. So if there's a carrot here, that means 1 and 2 would be touching. There's a carrot here, 2 and 3 would be touching. And then over here, 3 and 4 would be touching. So I have them color coded where 1 and 2 is red, 2 and 3 is blue, and 3 and 4 is green. So which one do you think is the one that has an F sharp in it?
Would it be the blue one?
Why the blue one? You're correct, but why the blue
I
one?
remember when, on the instrument, it was the 2 and the 3. They had to be touching to make it the F sharp. Instead of, because if they were farther apart, that would just be F.
So show me what that would look like this way. So what does the hand shape look like if we have it this way? What fingers are touching for an F sharp? You can hold it like this. Yeah.
These two.
So these two would be touching. So which one would have a G sharp and an F natural?
Maybe 1. Maybe 1.
Which color?
Or the red, yeah.
Think G sharp. Which finger do you know is a G sharp? If an F sharp is 2.
F sharp is 2. So a G sharp would be 3 because you're making the string shorter. Yeah.
And the 3 would be touching
4.
You want to show me what that one looks like?
So these.
Yeah, like that. And which one would be if it was an F natural? It would be E F natural. E F natural G, and then the 4 would be the A.
Would that be the red?
And why was that?
Because if those two are touching, trying to think of how to word this. Because you'd want the F natural, and if the 2 and the 3 would be touching, that would make it an F sharp. So if they're not touching, then that probably.
So it's touching the 1.
Yeah.
So do you remember which one would be the one that we're going to use for twinkle?
It would be the blue one.
Yeah. And it's because there's the F sharp in it. Do you want to try that? So hold your bow up like this. I'm just going to bring those fingers a little bit more relaxed. Good. Start on your D string. So we're going to do it a little bit more towards the middle. So bring it more out a little bit to about here. And we're going to do how we did it last time, okay? Ready? And. So it's going to be, I'll do a little demo first, okay? So it's going to be the G. And then we're going to cross to the A string. First finger will be the B. And then we're going to cross back over. I'm sorry, no, that'll be still A. And then we're going to cross over, and it's going to be the third finger G. F sharp. So let's start with just the D, A, B, A, okay? Let's bring your elbow up a little bit. There you go. So ready? Go. Cross. B. A. Good. So pause. Third finger on the D string. Cross. G. Third finger on G. Down to the F sharp. So you're going down from G to F sharp. Yeah. and stretch it out a little bit.
How do I do that first one back? Hello? Okay, thank you. Bye. They're getting let in, so they're good.
Okay.
I don't know why they called me.
So let's try again. So this time we're going to try and do it all together, okay? Starting on the D string, bring your elbow just up a little. There you go. Ready? Go. Cross. B. Cross. Good. So something I want to try now is like, how about we just quickly do it one more time and we're going to pause every time we do that cross, and then just continue on. Okay? You want, I mean, it's going to be like this. So we're going to do that for all of the crosses.
Okay.
Ready? Go. That's all right. Can you come into the frame a little more? Good. So, I'm going to turn this camera a little more this way. So from here, I want to try a little bit of an exercise that we're going to help just to get something called like a little release at the end. So what I want you to do is I'll show first, is we're going to start on the D string, and I'm going to come into a big circle and back around. So bring your instrument up. So you can think of it like a circular motion where you're going to strum and make a big circle around. Do you hear how like resonant that sound is when you let go? So let's try and see if we can do just a little bit of a smaller circle. So watch me first. We're just going to go. Try it. Good. So just don't try to like go straight up. Try to just make that a nice circle. So let's see if we can do it so that we're not going. See if we can just a regular. Just gonna raise the camera a little bit. So let's try it on the A string.
The large circle, just a smaller one.
Hmm?
The large circle, just a smaller
We'll
one.
start with the large one. So you're going to try and listen for that little ringing that comes out of the instrument when you let go. Let's try a little bit smaller. Good. So what I was thinking is we can try and do that a little bit with the piece. So I'll demo. We're going to probably split it up in like halves. So what I was thinking is we're going to go, I'll demo first. We'll go front string. And then we'll go to the A string. It's over down. So this one will be more of an up bow one. So before that, let's try and do it with the up bows. So it's the same thing, but instead we're just going to be moving in this direction. Oh, yeah. So, yep. Try it on your A string. Watch your thumb. Just make sure it's nice and bent. Place your bow on the instrument. You want to relax your fingers. Bring them in a little bit. Just a nice. Yep. You can go limp. There you go. Now just hold it just enough. There we go. Now try it again. Sorry. Yep, you're right. Good. So I was thinking is we can start by doing it. I'll show it in 1 sec. Sorry. So we're gonna go on the up bow, and then we're gonna place it on the A string. You wanna try that? Good. So now try to see if you can just get enough grip on the string so you can hear that. Can you hear this little ring when I let go? See if you can try and emulate that. Good. Try one more time. Good. So let's try it down bow way. So this time we're gonna have to start with an up bow. So I'll do it first. We'll go. Place on the A, and we're gonna do an up bow again. You did both, but that's good. Let's try it again. Good. Try one more time and don't put your fingers down so you can hear if the sound's really. That was really good. You're getting there. One more time. Yeah. So how about we try if we can see if we can incorporate a little bit of that into the piece. So I'll demonstrate first. We'll go. Let's try that. So this one will be all the up bow ones. We'll do it together, okay? Ready?
So starting on down bow then?
Mm-hmm. Ready? And wait. Just think about your thumb. Nice and bent. Get it out of that little crevice. There we go. Bring your elbow up just a little bit. Ready? And. Let's do it one more time. See if you can still try and get a little bit of that circular motion going. Ready? And. Wait. Just. Yep. Ready? And. So I think with the time remaining, what I was thinking about doing is teaching you the second part of it, which I haven't gotten to.